again. So we're doing some math. We're going back in. Um, we're going back in. The trend says we're going back in. So I'm doing some calculation right now. The lesson we paid for on the last, call it whatever you want, fallen or fell that just happened, is to not put your stuff in a bunch of sectors. So I'm just gonna take a look. I redesigned the portfolio. So let's see what was this. I redesigned the portfolio to deal with a lot more volatility. I use SCHG as the base. We'll see how that handles it going forward. Okay. Let's buy 66 more shares. Buy shares. Okay, so and VGT, VGT. As you guys remember, VGT was the highest position. 78 equals, yes, prices, the prices, 748.56, and VGT crossed. It is not crossed. Yes, it's a smaller position, so let's take a look. If I don't overspend, then what about IYW shares? This is divided by. I'm doing some calculation on the side. It's the other way around. Divided by. It's 2. Okay. IYW. Okay, so I'm gonna do that for a while. Let me pause this video. So I don't bore the living